Students, in previous video I explained naming of file, opening a file, reading data from file, writing a file and close data. So creating a file, in Python basically we can insert the data, delete the data, create a copy of file and updating the data in file. Actually Python provide a useful features to we can access text file and we can store our data permanently in our text file, okay, or a binary file. So text file allow us to store the data in character as well as numbers, and binary file is store only 0 1 format. In previously I am explaining how to open the file. The basic syntax is that file objects. First, whatever file we are access, so we write the file name and we just create its objects, file objects, okay. Then equal to we just call the open function and then file name and access mode, in which mode we want to access it, either writing mode, reading mode or different modes, then buffering, okay. Now file mode, previously I am explaining it having different modes. First one is reading mode, for allowing us to read only the datas, okay. For the text file it allow the R functions, and if we want to use or work on binary file, so we are using RB command. And for writing anything in our file we just use the W command, and in binary file we just use the WB command. And append, it is used to modify our previous data, so we are using A mode. And for binary file it allow to AB command, okay. Now next is R plus. It is allow us to read as well as write the data. Same thing for binary, RB plus. And W plus is used for writing as well as reading the data, and appending A plus. Basically the difference of these three, R plus, W plus and A plus, is that R plus is change anything at the beginning of the file, and W is used to change the writing, so it will be overwrite the previous contents, and the A is used to change or edit anything at the end of the file. The examples uses to open, there are some basic examples. Suppose file is a file objects, then equal to open is a functions, and here we just call the simple.txt file and R plus. So the file will be open in a reading as well as writing mode. It allow us to write something in our file. Then if we want to open any file, we need to close before we just close the Python, otherwise it creates the object into the memory and store the memory. So we need to close it. For that what command we are giving? File object dot close. So it will be close all the previous file whatever we are open. Then if we want to read the content of our file, for that we are using read line function. Read line function is used to read a particular line of our text file. Suppose in our text files having 3 lines, so Python change it into the one line into the one string, okay. It is having 3 strings. Suppose it treated as a 1 string, 2 string and 3 strings, okay. So read line functions return a single string or a one line. So if we want to access the text files content, so we are using read line methods, and read line methods is written only a one line at a time. And if we want to access second, third line, so we are using again and again read line function. Then the next function is read function. Okay, read function is used to read a particular word. Read function is used to read the word. Each size contain 1 bytes. Example, suppose I am creating file objects, then open, then read mode, and here I am given print read options. Okay, so it will be written numbers of according to size. If I am given the 5, so it will be written the first 5 characters of that file. Suppose here file line, it will be created as a string or a tuple. Okay, look at it, created one objects line, then content equal to file dot read, then split line, it's splitted the lines. Okay, suppose in our file the content hello world, this is my first file handling program, I am using Python languages. So these functions return the first lines. For sending the data in a file, create and write the file and write line method used. If you want to update or write anything, we are using a write line method to convert or to change their content. How it is possible, just look at. Okay, first we open our file in a writing or a W mode. Okay, and here we are using functions write function. Okay, and if you want to read, so what we are doing, use open the file in R mode and using read function. And if you want to write anything, so in our file, so we are using the file objects dot write functions and then content. Okay, whatever content we are given, suppose here I am inserted hello world in my file, then close, so it will be written the so these functions are updated my file and write hello world in the file text1.txt file. Okay, then x is equal to 52. Suppose if I want to Python is all take all the numbers in a string, we know previously. Look at with the examples, x is equal to 52. Here I am given number, so file dot write string x, so it will be changed it to the string mode. For writing a string at a time, we use write method. We cannot use for writing a list or tuple into a file. Sequence of data can be written using a write line. Okay, so in a write methods, we are using we are just inserted only a single characters or single number, and write line method is used to give the sequence of characters or sequence of numbers. Suppose here I am open the new f equal to text2 dot text in a writing mode, then string equal to hello world and something what I want to insert it in my file. Okay, then f equal to write line string, then close. Let us consider the example. File open txt1, then tuples, and we can use write line methods. Okay, so if we want to insert any string, any tuples or any list in text file, so for that purpose we are using write line method. Okay, write line methods allow to insert the string, list, tuples into our text file. Now here we are creating a copy of file. Okay, if you want to create another copy of our previous file, so the algorithm we are using, open the source file for reading. Okay, first we can open the previous files for in the reading mode, and then open a new file whenever we want to copy the previous content. So we open a new file and just start into the writing mode, then read data from the file, first file, and then write in new file, then close the both file. So the programming code is that define a file copy. Here we create a functions file copy, and we started a first file I file equal to open, then story.txt in a reading mode, then open a new file in a writing mode, and when one more object we are creating to read line, it is read the line of content, and these line of content will be read while L, जब तक L का रीड लाइन है तब तक वो ये वाइल फंक्शन का लूप कब तक चलेगा, जब तक कि L फंक्शंस रीड लाइन में. देन open a file, then in a new file, O file, write L. On here a new file, write each and everything from the previous file. Okay, and when it will be completed, the L is completed now, then L equal to read line, and in this we just read the new content or the new files of copied file. Okay, then we just close the both file. Then if we want to delete the content from the file, so we are using get data value to be deleted. First open the file in reading mode, and then read the complete and delete the data from the list and close the file. And then when we open the same file and write the new content in a writing mode and close our file data. So in these types we just read creating a copy of file and read the data from the file. So the programming code for the deleting any data is that first we create a functions file delete, then open a file in reading mode, then create a objects for read line and close the file. In these functions we read the content of previous one, and then print L, it is print the values, and then del, it deleted the content, start the content deleted, and then print. Okay, then again we started the same file in a writing mode and write the L1, so it will be write and then close it. So it is the programming code. Okay, now the algorithm is that, look at the algorithm and programming. Get the values to be deleted. First we access into the reading mode and get the values, then open file for reading purpose, and then we just open the one temporary file to write it into, then read the string and write it into the temporary file. If was not deleted, the purpose is repeated for entire file, then close the both file and delete the original file. Rename the temporary file to the original name. Okay, so this is basically used to create a file, create a new file and deleted the previous one. Okay, so for the programming code is that import is for that we are using import OS ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम फाइल को हमको इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. देन वी जस्ट क्रिएट अ फंक्शन वर्ड फाइल डेल देन वर्ड, then reading mode and new file for writing mode, and then while true, this is basically used to delete the selected content from our file. So while the answer is true, then it will be read the line, and if no line, it will be break the file. Okay, else if word in a line, then pass, or either it will be print or write a new line. Then we just close the file and remove the txt file and remove new txt and txt both files. Okay, so this is our using basically to delete one by word from the file, and then after it will be deleted the both file in new file as well as previous one. Then inserting text, inserting data into the file. For that we are using to open the file in append mode. Okay, so we define a function append, then import pickle. Okay, then we just open the file in AB for append mode, and then value is true, it will be int raw input, and it is basically used to append the previous content. Okay, if the user say yes, we just change the content, then it will be work. Okay, then updating a file. If you want to update anything, so provide the many way. First we need to open the file in reading mode, and then read the content, and then close the file, then get the detail of data to be modified, and then update the list and reopen in writing mode and write it and back it and then close. For that, what's the functions we are using? First, with open a reading mode, then content dot file read, and then file close. Okay, so first we need to open our file in reading mode. Then content process. Okay, then process will be content, and then it will be open in writing mode, write the content and close the file. Same thing, so many examples are there in PDF. Look it. Okay, so you read it and try to solve these objectives. Okay, first is file equal to open txt file dot text in W. So what we write after the W?